everyone, it's Tammy, and today is Friday the 20th, and I am home. I have been on PTO all week this week, actually working very hard in my craft room, trying to get it so that it was a little more organized and easier to work in, and just hammering it out. And oh, whoops, sorry guys, sorry. I'm in my car. I'm heading to get a car wash. Must not have had it in there very well. And I have my dogs with me. All three of them are down there. I don't know if you can see any of them, but they are all excited to go bye-bye in the car. They love it, and I love to make them happy. So that's what we are doing. And I should have brought my drink with me because I'm kind of thirsty, but I didn't. But I did post a video earlier today. I'm selling some of my wooden stamps, and I have that in the I did a live video of that, so that's kind of fun. And then I'm still a little chatty, probably because I have lack of sleep. I stayed up until 3 o'clock this morning working on some Cricut stuff that I was doing. I'm doing some shirts for my team at work, and they're not until Christmas, but I get on a little rampage, or I don't know, I set a goal and I just want to get them done. So I was working on those, and then I cut out some things for a friend of mine, and I cut out something for another friend, and I think that's all the cricketing I did. I still have a little, I'm doing something for Katie and David, and then I still have a little bit of stuff for my team to do, and but it's been exciting, and I got all of the shirts in, so I'm ready to go with all of those. I just need to finish cutting and then go upstairs and use my heat press and get those all done. I also did some cutting for Dennis's work. He needed some shirts for their running team or something, I don't know. So he works at a country club, and they have lots of little things like that, swim team and a running team and who knows what else, but I'm happy to do it for them. The beauty of having a Cricut. I'm even really thinking about getting the Cricut Maker. If any of you guys have that, let me know what you guys think of it, and if it's worth purchasing that over the Air 2, which is what I currently have. And then I would rehome my Air 2, and I would just keep the Maker. But I need to kind of see what everybody thinks about that, or get some true real life opinions on it. So if any of my friends out in YouTube world have any ideas or impression or an opinion of it, I would love to hear it. Let's see what else is going on. I've talked a little bit to Alex this week. That's been very nice. He's doing well. He is trying to work on some things, which is great, and he's working a lot, which is also great. Idle hands are no good, so he's trying hard to keep busy and doing his thing. Katie is also doing really well. Her boyfriend is going to be in town this weekend and surprise her and take her to the Colts game, which is pretty neat. I don't know who they play, but sorry, my hair's, I haven't even showered, or, well, I showered, I guess, but I didn't wash my hair this morning. I put on zero makeup, zero nothing. I have lip gloss on. But, you know, when you're spending all day working, working at home, like physically working, it's not any sense to waste makeup. I know that you guys don't care. You love me anyway. Gosh, they're selling some stuff over here. Interesting. Interesting. And there's a couple new things going on. How about that? So I got a monthly membership, I guess they call it, to this wash club. So I can get a wash every day, you know, as many times as I want for one price. So I usually come in and get it at least once a week. Hi there. I just like to get a regular wash. I have a, yeah.
You're all set.
Thank you, you too. I'm not doing the wax today, but usually, well, not usually, but like probably every other time I do the wax. But most of the time, or maybe every third time I do the wax, and then 2 times I don't. Because I try to take advantage of getting my car washed at least once a week now that I can get it kind of for free. I mean, I don't think you can wash your car too often. And it's kind of fun, and the dogs like to come. Oh my goodness, look at that puppy. Oh my goodness, look at that baby face. He's so cute. Hi there, Waylon. Are you mama's boy? Are you mommy's boy and your mama's Winnie girl? Oh my goodness, and there's my sweet Tasmania. Oh my gosh, that Taz is so handsome. He's so handsome. He's such a good boy. There's that Winnie. They're all there. And they love it. I say bye-bye in the car and they go nuts. Taz still goes the nuts. He's still nutso. And I try to like tease him a little bit. I'm like, hey, Waylon. That's what I did this morning. Do you want to go bye-bye in the car? And Taz could hear me and he was like all excited. So it was really cute. And then so they all get all excited. And I think that they get more excited because Taz gets excited. And he doesn't get excited a lot. So it's pretty fun to see him. So here I am at the car wash waiting for it to start. Where was I? Katie is going to the Colts game this Sunday, and then I am going to take her back because David lives in St. Louis, so it's a 4.5 hour drive from St. Louis to Indy, and then where Katie is, it's an hour more, so it's 5.5 hours from his house to where Katie is. So he asked me if he had the tickets and surprised her. So don't tell her. So if I would mind taking her home on Sunday after the game, and he said it's no problem if you can't. You know, he just works on Monday. And I was like, you know what, that would be fine. I would not mind that at all. And he was like, are you serious? Are you sure? I'm like, yeah. It's an hour away from me, and it's quality time with her in the car. I'll probably take the pups and just go, and it'll be fun. And depending on the time, maybe we can catch something to eat or just a coffee. It'll be good. Ooh, sorry, I'm yawning. I really didn't get very much sleep last night. I went to bed at like 3:30, and then I woke up at 8, and I haven't had a snappy, which I should take a snappy nap. But yeah, that's where we are right now. That's what's going on. So I guess I'll let you guys go, but I just wanted to say hello, and I'm checking in and letting you know what I've been up to. I will hopefully have Lisa's going to come over tomorrow, which is Saturday, to help me move some furniture around and kind of get some stuff in track. I think she is. That's at least what we're thinking right now. We're still finalizing the plans. But she's going to help me finish up at least so I can sit in the craft room and make it, well, I can sit in there, but to make it more livable, at least for now. I won't have it finalized. I might need to get more furniture and stuff, but that will come if I decide that's what I need. But right now it's just getting a lot of stuff out, organizing stuff, and making it a lot better that way. And I think maybe I might go to IKEA and get a couple things. I know that there's a little rack that looked kind of neat. It has 3 different mesh pull-out drawers, and I thought that would be cool to put my ribbon in, because then I could still see it, and it was a pull-out, easy. It's small but wide, or small but long, so not very wide but deep, so I can store some ribbon and stuff in there. That's what I'm thinking right now. And I don't know what else, but there was something else that I know I liked. I could maybe order it online, but IKEA is so close and I haven't been yet. I should probably just check it out, see what I can find, but I'm afraid I might get myself into some trouble. Help, help. Now I have to make this and build this, and oh my gosh. That's one of the problems with organizing. You find something and then it leads to 18 different things. It's like if you give a mouse a cookie. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have organized part of the pantry. I have organized some of my kitchen just because I'm organizing my craft room, because I've had to put this in a different area or whatever. And oh my word. But all my candles are organized now, and yeah, so I'm getting there. It's just a lot of work. So I may even stop at Starbucks on the way home after this to get myself a little treat, because I think I deserve it. All right, love you guys. I'll talk to you later, alligators. Bye. And those pups say bye. There's sweet Tasman. Oh, he's so cute. And there's one of the babies. Which baby? That's the Wayland boy. Peeking his head up. Oh, there. There's his little sweet face. His little sweet face. He's so cute. Love him. Bye, guys.